It's pretty much just a way that people can check out bikes, take it wherever they need to go, errands, just for fun, whatever, and then check it into a kiosk on the other side of town. And it's kind of just an eco-friendly, better way of getting around. There's a lot of pressure on us because, I mean, the whole nation's looking at us. We're the first school to internally develop a system for it, you know.
When else can you have a class that one you're getting credit for, so you're learning the process of doing a real world project, but then also at the same time you do it for your university, something that's going to be implemented here that you can have put your a footprint on your university that you're at. It's extremely rewarding for us just to be involved and to be have the opportunity itself. That was one of our big points. It's it's not only going to help the university and the students here, but it's also going to help us internally as a program and as students later on for our careers. You know, just learning how to communicate professionally is a big thing. And I'm just a sophomore too, so this is my first real exposure to have any sort of major project. It's going to be a big help for the bike share program, just to have those contacts and ask those hard questions, and for them to give us advice along the way.
So at the moment we are looking at, it's the research phase that we are in, and they're exploring the questions, so they are defining the research questions. So what are the questions that we have to ask in order to design a bike share system? And why do we ask them? Why do we need to know the answers? That's what they're doing at the moment. We have different industry partners. Some of them are focusing on bicycle manufacturing, the others are focusing on bike share systems. So at the moment we are exploring what we can do with them, what we can gain from them and give them. Normally JSP plans to implement the system in 3 to 5 years time. So the design process will take at least 4 semesters. So that's our biggest motivation actually. We are going to see the outcome. Generally when we're working with other sponsors or on personal projects, we don't get to see the product in the industry, but this is a huge chance. And these students will be designing something that will be used over and over again for a longer term. They don't really even care if they can put into their portfolio or publish in their website. As long as it's out there, people are using and smiling, that's their goal, that's their motivation.